Once upon a time, two swans and a tortoise lived in a lake called Manasaravar. There was a deep friendship between the three of them. They could not live without each other. Every morning, the tortoise used to sit on a mound and tell great things to the two swans. Once the tortoise started speaking, he would not stop talking easily. The tortoise considered himself a very knowledgeable person. Once the Manasaravar lake dried up, now where would the tortoise go? He started worrying about this. He used his brain and asked his friend Swan, "Will you take me from here to some other pond?" Both the swans agreed to take the tortoise and said, "But how will you walk?" The tortoise said, "Bring a wooden stick, which both of you keep pressed between your feet. I will hang by holding in the middle." The swan did exactly as he said, but the swan told the tortoise not to start giving your knowledge on the way, or else you will fall down. The tortoise said, "As you wish, my master, but take me away from here quickly." Both the swans flew away with the tortoise. The tortoise was enjoying looking down from the sky. After walking some distance, the tortoise looked down and saw a hunter who was saying how intelligent the swans were, how they were taking their friend for a ride. Hearing the hunter's words, the foolish tortoise became proud and opened his mouth to give his name to this trick when he fell down and the hunter caught him. It is better to speak less and listen more than speaking more. If the tortoise did not consider himself a speaker at that time, then perhaps he would have reached the other pond easily. The tortoise lay on the ground, having fallen from the sky, while the hunter, surprised and amused, approached him. In the distance, a serene pond awaited, surrounded by lush greenery, representing the peaceful destination that seemed just out of reach.